Welcome guys. Today we will be discussing few things like how to include JavaScript and how to include JavaScript files and how to work with JavaScript. For that we will be using CodeSandbox. CodeSandbox is one of the better platform that I have foreseen for working with. Okay, first of all, let's see how to create a empty code sandbox file. Click on new sandbox here, and you will be logging with this. Then it will be creating like this, and then we have to click vanilla. And once you will click vanilla, then it will automatically create a stuff like this. Now we have to wait. Not wait. We have to just start writing our code here. So for this, what we have, so first thing, how we need to add something. So for that, we use script. I hope you guys are familiar with the internal, external, different kind. I mean, there are three types of JavaScript. To insert the JavaScript in our code. One is internal, then one is external, then one is inline. So I hope you guys are familiar with that part. So it is something similar with VS Code, but we can see live example here. So that for, let's say we have, so let's write our first JavaScript code. Let's say we want to alert something, then we have to just write alert. Okay, this is not something that we are trying to do. Alert. Now once you will write it, when you will save it and try to refresh, it should alert actually. Yep, it alerted. Thank you.